algebra, 2x plus 1 over 5 minus x minus 2 over 3 equals to 2x plus 8 all over 15. The most simple way to do this is to first and foremost find the LCM. So LCM of these 5, 3, and 15 is going to give us 15. The next thing I will do is to use that LCM, which is 15, to multiply all the fractions. That means I am going to write it like this. 15 will multiply the whole of 2x plus 1 over 5. Next thing I will do is the same 15 will multiply again x minus 2 all over 3. And that is now going to be equal to 15 again. That is the LCM multiply 2x plus 8 all over 15. Yes. What this is going to help me do is that it is going to clear all the fractions so that everything will now be a single equation. Therefore, 5 will cancel 15 to give me 3. That means I'm going to use 3 to multiply what is inside the bracket, and that is 2x plus 1. Next, 5 will cancel this, 3 will cancel 15 to give me 5. That means I will now have minus 5 multiplying x subtract 2. Next, this 15 will cancel out this 15, and I have by the right hand side just 2x plus 8. This is beautiful. Now, moving forward, I am going to have it written in this form, opening the brackets. That is 3 will multiply 2x to give me 6x. 3 will multiply 1 to give me 3. Next, I have minus 5 multiply x will give me minus 5x. And minus 5 multiply minus 2 will give me plus 10. And by the right hand side, I still have left 2x plus 8. This is beautiful. The next thing I will do is collection of like terms. So I can now write all the numbers with x. That means 6x minus 5x. Then subtract 2x will now be equal to 8. Meanwhile, see here that 3 plus 10 is 13. So if I move it to the right hand side, it becomes minus 13. That is how it will look. So moving forward, I am going to have 6x. This minus 5x minus 2x will give me minus 7x is equal to, you can see here, 8 minus 13 will give me minus 5. This is how it will be. But then 6x minus 7x will give me minus x equal to minus 5. You can now see that x will cancel x on both sides, leaving us as the final answer x equal to 5. This is the solution to this question. Thank you for watching. Please follow me on TikTok and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I remain Tutor Cletus Okoli. Bye for now.
Nambu, agwara m mmadụ si